Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning about latitudes. We'll be learning about the equator, the parallels, and finally how all this relates to the latitude. So stay tuned. If you haven't watched my video on longitudes, the link is at the corner. But in this video we're going to look at latitudes, and before we can learn latitudes, we have to learn the reference point, which is the equator. Just a quick recap on what a great circle is. A great circle is the largest circle that can be formed around a sphere, like this one here. The center of the great circle will be the center of the sphere, like this, and this great circle will divide the sphere into exactly two halves. This is the polar axis. It goes from the north pole to the south pole, geographic north to geographic south pole. And when the great circle is perpendicular to the polar axis, like this one, this is the equator. So our equator is exactly at the center of the earth when we are looking at it from this orientation. The equator divides the earth into the northern hemisphere. The half sphere that is above the equator is known as the northern hemisphere, and the hemisphere below the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. So we have north and south. A parallel is a circle that is drawn parallel to the equator. So we have the equator as our reference point, and we draw any other circle around in any of the hemispheres that is parallel to the equator. That is known as a parallel. Like this. This is a parallel. This is also a parallel. As long as it is parallel to the equator, it is known as a parallel. Latitudes are distances of the parallel from the equator, but measured in degrees. Equator itself is considered 0 latitude, 0 degrees latitude. So this is our reference point. Just like for longitudes, the reference point is the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. For latitudes, our reference point is the equator. First, we need to identify the parallel. And when we have the parallel, we draw a line from the parallel to the center of the earth. Parallel to center of the earth. And the latitude is when we find the angle between this line, the line of the parallel to the center of the earth, and the plane of the equator. So this is a case of the angle between a line and the plane. In longitudes, it was between two planes. But in latitudes, it is the angle between this line and the plane. So here the angle, let's say the angle is 40 degrees. We also need to identify the hemisphere in which the parallel is located. If it is in the northern hemisphere, then it will be 40 degrees north. If it was in the southern hemisphere, the angle between the plane of the equator and this line that connects the parallel to the center of the earth is 32 degrees. Since it is in the southern hemisphere, it is 32 degrees south. First, draw a line between the point on the earth that lies on the parallel to the center of the earth, and then measure the angle between that line and the plane of the equator. Third, look for whether it is in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. So if it's in the northern hemisphere, add N at the back. If it's in the southern hemisphere, add S at the back. This is how we find latitude. The difference between latitudes is similar in concept to the difference between longitudes. Here, if both parallels lie on the same hemisphere, let's look at this example here. These two parallels lie in the northern hemisphere. So we have 75 degrees north and 40 degrees north. So here, since they lie on the same hemisphere, then the difference between these latitudes can be calculated by using subtraction. So the difference here will be 75 degrees, the larger one, 75 degrees minus 40 degrees. So the difference between this latitude and this latitude is 35 degrees. Same as with the southern hemisphere. If we have two latitudes here, 32 degrees south and 80 degrees south, if we want to find the difference between these latitudes, all we have to do is subtraction. We take the larger one, 80 degrees minus 32 degrees. So we get 48 degrees. If the latitudes lie in two different hemispheres, one is on the northern hemisphere and the other is on the southern hemisphere, then the difference between them here, as you can see in the diagram here, the difference will be this whole angle here. So in order to get the difference now, when they are in different hemispheres, instead of subtraction, we have to use addition. So the difference will be 40 degrees plus 32 degrees, which gives us 72 degrees. Latitudes can go from 0 degrees, which is at the equator, all the way to 90 degrees. 90 degrees north will be the North Pole, and 90 degrees south will be the South Pole. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you've learned something. If you have, please do support me by hitting the like button. It really does help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I'll be posting at least one video a week. I'll see you in the next video.